Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what many consider the best lift toilet seat on the market, the Drive Medical RTL12027RA 2-in-1 raised toilet seat with removable padded arms. If you or a loved one struggles with sitting down or standing up from the toilet, this product is designed specifically to provide comfort, safety, and convenience. This raised toilet seat adds an extra 5 inches of height to your standard toilet, which makes sitting and standing much easier and safer for seniors, individuals with limited mobility, or anyone recovering from surgery. One of the standout features of this model is its padded armrests. These arms provide sturdy support and added confidence when using the toilet. Even better, the armrests are removable and adjustable, so you can tailor the fit to your needs. Whether you want the extra stability or prefer a more open seat, this design accommodates both preferences. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, which means you can securely lock this seat onto almost any standard toilet without the hassle of complicated assembly. The heavy-duty locking mechanism uses a worm screw and locking plate to keep the seat firmly in place, preventing any unwanted movement during use. This kind of security is crucial when it comes to bathroom safety products. Constructed from durable plastic, the seat is lightweight yet sturdy enough to support up to 300 pounds. The dimensions are well thought out, measuring 16.5 inches in depth, 17 inches in width, and standing 10 inches high overall, with an 18-inch width between the arms. This makes it a comfortable and practical option for most users in bathrooms. Cleaning the seat is simple. Just use a non-abrasive detergent or household cleaner with warm water, and you'll keep it hygienic and fresh without damaging the material. This ease of maintenance is important in everyday use, especially in shared or caregiving environments. Another advantage of the Drive Medical raised toilet seat is its versatility. The 2-in-1 design means you can use it as a standard raised seat with arms or remove the arms to use it as a plain riser, depending on your needs at the time. This adaptability makes it a great investment, as it can serve different requirements without needing to purchase multiple products. Drive Medical is a trusted name in mobility aids and bathroom safety products. And this toilet seat riser is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind when making your purchase. Whether you're caring for an elderly family member or looking for a reliable aid during recovery, this product delivers on both quality and safety. In summary, the Drive Medical RTL12027RA raised toilet seat offers a secure, comfortable, and adjustable solution to improve bathroom safety and independence. Its easy installation, padded removable arms, sturdy construction, and trusted brand reputation make it the best lift toilet seat option available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and insights.